house planning step by step. Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope everybody will be fine. Today in this short video lecture I will guide you step by step how to make a house plan in the dimensions of 18 by 30 feet. So let's get started. If this video is helpful for you, so you may like this video, but watch this video till the end to learn something new, how to make a best house plan in the dimensions of 18 by 30 feet. Guys, the scale is 1 inch is equal 3 feet. So this is 6 inches and this is 10 inches. 18 by 30 feet. This is 18 feet and this side is 30 feet, right? So let me focus the camera for you. So sometime this is out of focus, right? So here guys, I will make 2 bedrooms, drawing room, dining room with kitchen, bath, toilet and staircase for first floor. Okay, so here guys, this is roadside. This is roadside, okay, and this is the main entrance. Here I will make, okay. So here guys, I will make a bedroom which size will be 10 by 10 feet. So for 10 by 10 feet I will make 3.5 inch. 3 sorry, here it should be, because this is a scale, so 1 inch is equal 3 feet. Okay, so here I'm making 10 feet bedroom. So okay, so it should be about 10.5 roundabout. Here, from here to here I will make okay, this is a bedroom. Okay, so here for this bedroom, this is here, it's opening at this side. This is the opening for this. Okay, so this is its opening. This is the door. Okay, next one guys, we have 6 feet. Here we have a 6 feet. Okay, because all wall thickness are 6 inches. This is 6 inch wall. All wall thickness are 6 inches. So here guys, I will make the kitchen here, open kitchen here with a dining. Okay, so this is a kitchen. Sorry, I'm using the black one. This is a kitchen, right? And here I will make kitchen with dining room about 4.5 inch. Here, and this is dining. Here, let me show you. This is about 13 feet. Okay, this is open kitchen guys, right? This is bed, which is 10 by 10 feet. Okay, this is dining. Kitchen. Here guys, we have toilet plus bath, which is 5 feet, so 5 feet should be 1.5 inch. Uh, 5 by 6 feet. Now here, this is a bedroom, again 3.5 inch, because this is 10 by 10 feet. Here guys, this is stair design. For first floor. This is landing, which is about 3.5 feet, and each flight width is also 3.5 feet. Okay, so guys, this is living room. Okay, size of this living room is 8.5 by 7.5 feet. From here, 8.5 by 7.5. This is 7.5 feet, and here this is 8.5 feet. Here guys, this is for this bedroom. This is the door. Okay, here this is a toilet plus bath. Okay, so now you can see the window. For this bedroom, you can see the window pointing. For this kitchen, this is for dining. Here, this is ventilation for this bath plus toilet. Bath plus toilet. This is 5 feet by 6 feet, 6.5 feet. This is the other second bed, which is 10 by 10 feet. Now guys, here you can see we have the free space, this one, which is 6.5 feet. Okay, here you can make a slide door for this main entrance. Here you can make cross ventilation for this bed. Also here for this stair hall or stair landing you can make here. Also here to the front side you can make a cross window system. Okay guys, so this is a small house planning in the dimensions of 18 by 30 feet. So if you have any question related with this planning, so you can comments, I will try to reply your answer. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.